Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with a doll clothing haul that I picked up most of it this week, except for this dress. I picked this dress up a while back. I just never did show it. So it's really cute, but it's got a stain on it, and I'm going to try to wash that out. But it's pink with pink flowers and like white little ribbons. It's got white sleeves and a white collar. And I think it will wash out just fine. The hat's got some spots on it. But other than that, it's like really well made and it's really cute. The only tag I could find in it is the Made in China tag. And that's it. So if you recognize any other clothing that I have in this haul, let me know down in the comments. And that helps out so much when trying to identify some of it. But I thought that might fit the itty bitty American Girl doll. Okay, I went ahead and opened up this one. We'll open the big one up last. This is about a gallon size bag here. I paid $4. And these were both from the same spot on the same day. So they could have been from the same person that donated them or something like that. Let's see what we got in here. First off, we got this pink hoodie. And it's got white polka dots on it. That looks like the Webkins symbol, I think. I didn't know Webkins had clothes. But that's a hoodie. Here's a little jacket. And it does have working zipper. It says, I cannot think of the name of those dolls. The OG dolls. And that's really cute. No hood. It's just blue, like a royal blue with zipper. And the inside's just little squares or diamonds. So far, nothing I'm in love with, but that's okay. There's lots more to go. Let's see, this is for Disney babies. It's got the T and L. I think that's just for a baby to hold. Here's a little hat. It's white, like a beanie hat. And it's got this plaid bow on the top. Some bibs, a yellow one. This one is Carolyn's Fashions. That's really cute. It's got some buttons and a bow on the front of it. And it's got this lace on the sides and around it. Here's a cute little pink hat with white trim and pink hearts. And this one velcros. The ribbon does. There's no tags on that one. This is a apron. It says Magic Nursery. And it's got little bunny rabbits and flowers on it. It's really cute. Oh, I think you can wear it and put a baby doll inside of it. Oh, that's cute for little girls, little boys to play. Now, this must match that hat. These are preemie clothes, or newborn clothes, usually. It's got Velcro in the back. See if we got any tags. No tags. Well, there's just long sleeve white with the plaid, and that matched that hat. And there's 2 of them. And these are newborn shirts. Those ain't baby doll clothes. So nothing in there that I'm really particular thinking about keeping. So that'll probably all go on eBay. Let's find out what's inside this one. I'm going to open it and I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. This one I'm a little more excited about. I do think this is a vintage 90s bag. Probably dresses, doll dresses. So first off, we got this little baby doll. She's a rag doll. And she's wearing this outfit. It's like a seafoam green with white hearts on it. And the little undie shorts are the same green with white stripes. She's got yellow hair. I want to see if I can find a tag on her. Here's her tag. It's got a little crown on it. It says Manhattan Toy. I don't know who she is. So I'm trying to find a date. It says made in China. Just says she's a Manhattan Toy. Okay, let's see what the clothes are, because that's what I'm mostly excited for. We've got a pink ribbon. Oh, this is really pretty ribbon. It's got some flowers on it. Love that. Then we have this little headband. It's pink and white striped with this little flower on it. And then we got some pink and white gingham or plaid pants, underpants. I can't think of what you call them. Here's some pink shorts. Now this is really cute. It's that pretty blue. Just a blue, like a regular blue. It's got a white little bibby here, and it's got flowers on it with a pink ribbon and pink hearts. I love this dress. It says World Doll. I'll probably be keeping that one. This is a pink and white onesie. And it's got this new look, or not new look, but it's a, I cannot think of what it's called, of course, because I'm talking to you guys, and that's how that always goes. But it's got like a white ribbon. They're really fancy. It's really pretty. I love this. It's got that World Doll tag in it as well. Oh, this is really pretty. This is what I've seen in the bag that I thought I would really like. I'm not sure if it's for baby dolls, so we're going to look at it. It's got lots of lace on it. It looks like it's in really good condition. It's got a pink underneath. Oh, this is a Madame Alexander dress. Made in USA. It says Victoria. So I'm going to have to definitely find out what that doll looks like and see if I really want her. And then see if I can find her. If I know what she looks like, I'll know what to be looking for. I love Madame Alexander dolls. They're always so cute. But it's just a white dress, pink underlay. It's got all this pretty lace all over it. It's got a pretty pink ribbon here. It looks to be in really good condition. It's long sleeves. And it's got lace at the sleeves of it. So that was why I bought the bag, was for that dress. Anything else is bonus to me. I paid $6 for this bag. I think I paid $4 for the other bag. But this one had really cute dresses in it, and I knew it. See, here's another one. It's like a creamy white. It's got a pretty little bow here. It's got some fringes. This is like a lace, see-through. And the underneath is creamy white as well. This one says all new material, shredded clippings, wire stiffeners. Seymour Man Incorporated, made in China. This reminds me of a China, is that what they're called? China porcelain doll dress. It could be for a porcelain doll. Or it could be for another doll. And here are the bloomers that go with it. That was the word I was looking for earlier. Actually, I don't think these bloomers go to it. I think they may go to the big dress. I don't know. No, I think they go to this one. Do they go to one of the other ones? I don't think it goes to this one. I really like this one. And I think that's going to fit a bitty baby. We'll have to find some bloomers to go under it. I want to say it goes to this one. But see, the lace doesn't necessarily match it. But the lace don't necessarily match this either. It goes to something. Anyway, this is my favorite, the Madame Alexander dress, of course. It's pretty fancy. I usually don't like fancy stuff. I'm not really the type that likes fancy dresses or anything like that. I normally like average day clothes, bell bottoms, 60s, 80s, 90s, 70s clothing. That's the era I like. I think it goes to this. Let me know what your favorite outfit is down in the comments. And if you like vintage clothing for dolls, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.